Hello and welcome to What's New in Relativity 9.5 Widgets and Dashboards. I'm Michael Hagan, Manager of Litigation Technology at Procopio, and in this video we will see how to use new data visualization tools built into Relativity 9.5 to help you better understand your ESI data. We will discover how to build searches using these tools and, by way of example, how to use them to manage document reviews. To start off, what is a widget and what is a dashboard? Widgets are essentially pivots or groupings of information by one or more fields. These pivots can be displayed as pie, bar, stacked bar, line, or table graphs. Dashboards are saved arrangements of widgets. I'm back here at my Enron email dataset of over 53,000 email and email attachments. The default view is the All Documents dashboard, which looks like the standard view of field information. Now I'll choose a preset dashboard named ESI Overview from the Dashboard drop-down box. Here you can see a pie chart of the ESI custodians, a table list of the email authors, a bar chart of various file types, and a timeline of email sent dates. At the bottom is the regular file display table. Each of these boxes can be collapsed or expanded, or they can be resized and moved around the desktop. The elements within each box, or widget, are interactive. Take a look at the pie chart, for example. As I hover over a pie slice, information about that slice is displayed. As I move my cursor over the names in the legend, the corresponding pie slice pops out. If I click on a slice, Relativity will create a search condition based on that slice. In this example, I've narrowed my search to items collected from Sally Beck as the custodian. Clearing the selection is easy. You can clear it temporarily by clicking or unchecking this box, or clear it completely by clicking the X here. If you want to eliminate slices to be able to get a closer look at some of the smaller pieces, I can click items in the legend as a way to exclude it from the pie chart temporarily. Click on a legend name again and it's added back. Tables work by selecting a name you want to focus on or select multiple names, then click Apply. Note each time you interact with a widget, a search condition is being built for you. I'm going to collapse the folder pane so we can see the search conditions a little better. So far, I focused my search on items produced by Sally and those emails sent by Sally, Patty, and Mike. Now, let's look at how to use a timeline pivot. Notice there are two timelines. The top is a detailed timeline, while the bottom line is more general. If I highlight a section of the bottom line, it will focus and expand the top line accordingly. Suppose I want to limit my scope to just emails sent during the first part of 2001. I select those timeline points. Relativity adds the corresponding date limiting search condition. I can temporarily add or remove conditions and see how it would affect my search results. Let's look at how we might use dashboards during a document review. I'll clear all conditions with this single click. Now I'm back at my full set of documents. I'll start with a combination keyword search. Price or wholesale or corrupt asterisk or manipulate or fraud asterisk. Now I'm down to 7,396 items. I'm going to mass tag these in the responsiveness field as review, meaning I want my reviewers to look at these and determine if they are responsive or not. I'll also save the search under a culling save search so as to document the steps I use for the document review process. I'm going to clear all conditions and switch over to a production review dashboard. This dashboard uses three pie chart widgets to display the responsiveness, production, and privilege fields. Notice the review slice in the responsiveness field chart. I'll click on that slice, which will pull up all items that are currently tagged as review. I'll also change my view to include families since I want to include those in my review as well. Next, I'll click on the control number of the first document in the list and start my review. I'll use the first pass review layout and click on the Edit button to activate my tags. As I review the items, the responsiveness tag is changed from Review to either responsive or non-responsive. At the same time, the production field should be tagged for Produce, Do Not Produce, or To Be Redacted. There is also a To Be Determined choice if the reviewer is unsure and wants to get a second opinion before clearing it for production. Well, that's a quick overview of how widgets and dashboards work. There are lots of ways to use the dashboards, and as you continue to use them and become familiar with how they interact with your data, you are encouraged to build your own dashboards depending on your specific case needs. Please contact any of us in the ASI department for assistance. Be sure to watch other how-to videos to learn more about using widgets and dashboards for simple and complex searching, email threading, and concept clustering within Relativity.